Is it a good time to buy? It's a buyer's market.
Rates are kind of staying between the 6s, 7s. People in the US are waiting for rates decrease.
When rates drop, prices go up. If you're a buyer in today's market, focusing on the best rate is not the way to go. Make sure you're working with a lender that has the right solution.
You can always refinance in the future. Why should you pay someone else's mortgage? You should pay your own mortgage. We write literally 30 to 50 offers a week. We catch about 1 or 2.
That's where you're gonna be 10 years from now. You're gonna be telling yourself, man, I just wish I would have bought a house 10
I
years
want
ago.
to tell you that I saw a trend of 30 to 40% discount on MLS. And what we're doing, we write literally 30 to 50 offers a week.
Wow.
We send a lot of offers. Out of 30 to 50 offers, we catch about 1 or 2. So, and this is wonderful because we are in a very quality average rate of helping those investors to purchase between 2 to 3 homes every month. And what they're doing, their entire methods are fix and flip. They're coming in, they renovate it beautifully, and I put it back on the market and I sell it for them for profit. Now, I want to tell you that I saw a trend of 30 to 40% discount on MLS on the price.
Yep.
So it's very surprising.